Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to tackle one of the most common frustrations in the kitchen: disorganized silverware drawers. We recently came across the Lifewit Silverware Drawer Organizer, an expandable utensil tray designed to keep your cutlery neatly arranged and easily accessible. We've added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Lifewit Silverware Organizer? This innovative kitchen tool is a versatile and adjustable tray that fits various drawer sizes and shapes. The organizer measures 10.9 inches wide when folded but can expand up to an impressive 17.5 inches. This feature makes it adaptable for different kitchen setups, whether you have a standard drawer or something a bit more unique. It's designed to maximize your storage space while keeping your utensils tidy, which can be a game changer in any kitchen. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this organizer. One of the highlights is its adjustable design, which allows you to customize the size to fit your specific drawer dimensions. It also boasts 6 to 8 compartments, providing ample space for spoons, forks, knives, and other cutlery. This thoughtful layout ensures that everything you need is right at your fingertips, streamlining your cooking experience and making meal prep a lot more efficient. Safety and durability are also key considerations with the Lifewit Silverware Organizer. It's made from premium PP material that is BPA-free, ensuring that your utensils are stored in a clean and safe environment. This robust construction means it can withstand regular use without falling apart, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen. But the utility of this organizer doesn't stop at just cutlery. Its multi-purpose design allows it to be used in various settings beyond the kitchen. If you have a cluttered desk, this organizer can neatly corral your stationery. It can also be an excellent solution for organizing cosmetics or even sewing kits. The Lifewit Silverware Organizer is truly versatile, transforming chaotic spaces into models of order and efficiency. One of the most user-friendly aspects of this product is its thoughtful design. The unique groove features ensure you can easily access your cutlery, while the buckle design allows for smooth sliding and effortless adjustment. This means you can rearrange your compartments without any fuss, keeping everything exactly where you want it. So, who is this product suitable for? If you find yourself constantly battling a messy drawer or struggling to locate your utensils during meal prep, the Lifewit Silverware Organizer is for you. It's perfect for busy families, culinary enthusiasts, or anyone who values organization in their kitchen. Even if you live in a small apartment with limited storage, this expandable organizer can help you make the most of your space. In terms of practical use cases, consider how much easier your cooking process could be. With utensils neatly organized, you can grab what you need without rummaging through a jumbled mess. Whether you're setting the table for a family dinner or whipping up a quick breakfast, having an organized space can save you time and reduce stress. In conclusion, the Lifewit Silverware Drawer Organizer is a fantastic solution for anyone looking to declutter their kitchen or workspace. With its adjustable design, robust material, and thoughtful features, it offers an efficient way to keep your essentials organized and easily accessible. If you're tired of digging through drawers to find the right utensil, this product could be the answer you've been looking for. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.